Hello friends, welcome back to the bench. Our patient is my wife's iPhone X. And actually it's not a patient. What we're gonna do is install this quick installation screen protector from Smart Devil. They reached out to me asking how much do I charge for the review or promotional video or something, but I don't do that. However, I do review stuff. I don't charge anything for the review for many reasons. First of all, I don't even know how that works. I don't even know how much to charge. Second, that would make a review biased, and I'm into more honest reviews. So, I still get the device for free. So, I still kind of owe a little bit. But since I'm not being paid for the actual review, then no hard feelings if I don't like the product, right? Now with this one, I received an instructional video and it looks super easy and super quick. And why am I reviewing this in the first place? If it works as I expect it to work, this is an excellent option to have in your shop, especially if you deal with walk-in customers, which is not in my case, so probably I'm not going to be ordering these. But if you have walk-in traffic, this costs, I don't know, 10 bucks, maybe 20 bucks, whatever. And you charge, the walk-in customer, say 50 bucks for installing a screen protector. And you do it in literally few minutes with the alignment tool, right? Because that's the biggest problem of putting any kind of protector or on any kind of phone is aligning it. Obviously shops can use their proprietary tools, but if you want to do it yourself, this kit supposedly has everything you need. So let's see what it is. We have an envelope. Okay, I guess this is the protector itself. Yeah, it looks like it. I should review the video again, but I'm gonna do it in the way that I normally do stuff. Just without reading the instructions. It should be simple enough. Now I'm using latex gloves, so I'm not worried about touching anything, but typically you should only touch things that you should touch. This is film installation toolkit. Film installation toolkit. Okay, so they're the same. What is this? Paperback. So there's one cleaning wipes, dry wipes for screen cleaning, and dusting sticker. So all of this should be in here, and we have the alignment tool itself. There you go. Oh, and already, okay, so we have two, right, so I didn't need to open this one. So we have two protectors. So if I screw up, I can take this one off and put another one. Or at least that's my expectation. The alignment tool is supposed to be reusable. Now, the important thing is to actually clean the screen, because it doesn't really matter what kind of protector you use. If you put it on a dirty screen, it's not going to work. Right, this is properly dirty, but I don't see any cracks. Oh no, there's a little chip. Yeah. Okay, well, protector is not going to fix that. There's plenty of little little chips and stuff. So we're kind of late with protector on this phone, but let's see what they deliver here. So this is number, okay, they're all numbered, very nice. So this is number 3, dusting sticker. This is number 2. I don't know if you can tell that there's 2, big 2 over there, 0, 2. Yeah, you can see it, right? For the dry cleaner, and of course 1, the cleaning wipes. This is probably nothing more than a wipe that you get with a lot of stuff, which is filled with alcohol. Yeah, and that smells like 100% or 99% isopropyl. No, actually, I'm not sure. It has a little bit of different hint to it. So maybe this is not isopropyl, but it's definitely alcohol. Oh, and for this phone, yeah, typically that would probably work. But for this phone, I'm not sure, I might need to use a little more alcohol on this one. The goal is to just use the equipment supplied with this kit, right? Not use anything extra. But if you're ordering this for your shop to do this for the customers, then obviously you have proper equipment, meaning alcohol and wipes. So you probably don't need to rely on this part. Let's try this. Because not only my wife uses this phone, also my 9-year-old uses it, and you know that 9-year-olds' fingers contain every possible substance that they came in contact with. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. We can see those scratches and those little chips in the screen. Well, this is exactly what the screen protector is designed to prevent, but obviously it's not going to fix it. So we'll see how it works on a bad screen. Now the way I like to confirm is to just look at the angle and look at the reflection of something either bright or shiny, and then I can spot any or see any spots that are greasy or have anything on them. Because if the screen is not going to be clean, this is not going to look good. Now the bubbles is the other problem, but it looks like the screen is not very hard to remove bubbles, because some of those protectors, once you put them on, there's pretty much no way to take them off. Actually, I think this is clean enough. I don't think I need a sticker for this, but just for the heck of it, let's test the sticker. So we peel off the sticker, and this also works great on carpets. When you if you have a dog, especially a dog that likes to shed, likes shedding his fur and its short hairs, using anything sticky like Scotch tape, duct tape, and just clean the carpet that way. Now it's important that no glue is left on the carpet or on the phone in this case. That should be good. All right, so now you know what? I'm going to check the video again. Okay, so I wasn't sure, but it looks like we just need to now place this on top of the phone. Oh, why does it not fit? Is it a different phone, or do I need to press it harder? Well, I can press it harder, but it's no, this is the wrong size. Well, I guess I'm not gonna show you how to put it on properly. I'm gonna show you how to put it on if you have to. I mean, I expect that you would have the proper one for your phone. It's smaller, that's why it doesn't fit, because it's smaller. What kind of phone is this? Well, it just says iPhone. I don't do iPhones, but also they don't make it for my Samsung. Actually, it would fit my Samsung. Let's see. Well, also not exactly. Yeah. But they don't make them for the Samsungs, because us Samsung owners are cheapskates and broke, so we don't need fancy stuff like that. In this case, what I'm gonna do is just align the top. Right, I took off the part of the screen, or of the protector. All right, I'm gonna align it over here. Manually. Hold it here, and oh, this is nice. This is so satisfying. I don't know if you missed that, but when the bubbles were escaping, it was so satisfying. Okay, now we have a big bubble over here, so lift it up, and the bubble is gone. And we have another bubble here. Lift it up, and the bubble's gone. Now there might be some bubbles, tiny bubbles, but they are resulting from the scratches that were on the screen before, right? You can see that it's smaller. It's just not for this particular phone, but the idea is the same, right? It would have been much better aligned if I could use the alignment tool, but this is manual alignment. As you can see, it's slightly misaligned. I'm pretty sure I could just lift it and align it again. But we're gonna leave it like that for now, and well, it actually works. So the idea is that it has 28 anti-spy angle, meaning, all right, you can't see anything at this angle. Normally you would, but you have to angle it this way, and the same. Oh, now it turned off, right? This used to be very popular, both on the phones and in the cars. You would have the little foil on the dash that you would stick on yourself that does exactly that. And only the driver sees how fast you're going, and the passenger does not. But for some reason it's no longer that popular. But yeah, it looks pretty good. it's stuck on very nicely. It's very easy to remove any bubbles or anything. So you don't even, I would say you don't even need the alignment tool. You know, the protector itself is easy enough, and especially with the removal tool, and works perfectly. And so we have one extra envelope with 3 cleaning solutions or cleaning equipment. But this one technically is reusable. This is something that you would receive with any kind of like camera or something like that, something with optics, right? So this is reusable. You can still use it to clean the camera. Okay, so this is Smart Devil Quick Installation Screen Protector. Very much recommended, as long as you have the right size for your phone. I would say any the phone repair shop should carry something like that, either to sell to the customer or to install for the customer. And even if you don't have the right size, or even if you don't have the alignment tool, it's still extremely easy to work with. It's a completely different experience than the other screen protectors I was installing on other phones, iPhones included. They would not come with any tools like that. It just you would have to really know what you're doing. With this one, you don't need a repair shop to install this. I recommend it. Very nice machine. Thank you so much to Smart Devil for sending me these. And I will keep this one, and I'll see if I can find a use for it. Very good device. Alrighty. Thank you guys very much for watching. I do appreciate you. And I shall see you in the next one.